Hey guys, we are at Rancho Festoso and Moore Road, and as you can tell, this part right here is in the process of being repaved, and part of the concrete they recently installed is going to get changed, but the rest down there is pretty much the same. The sign got knocked over right here, and then the sidewalk's closed, but there's only one of them over there that says cross here. They just want us to go back there, but there's no way you can. But I'll just give you a little video of this little thing just for the heck of it.
Wait.
Oh, it's pretty quiet now.
29, 28, wait, 27, wait, 26, 25, wait, 23, wait, 22, wait, 21, 20, 19, 18,
Just
17.
I'll just show you a countdown.
Traveling north.
Traveling north.
11, 10.
This road is a little uneven too,
8, 7,
so you can't tell what else you can see.
5, 4,
The braille is still.
2.
This thing is still in pretty good condition, even though this is
Wait. Traveling north.
traveling north. This road is kind of uneven, so you can't get a really good view of this. But
Wait.
the buttons are still pretty good.
Wait. Traveling north.
Yep.
Wait.
This button is not. This instruction's also brand new. I'm just gonna go check this one out.
Wait. Traveling west. Wait.
Oh, that one just went off again.
28, 27.
This one I'm just gonna try to get it.
25, 24, 23.
I'll just give you a little
22,
countdown sound.
21, 20, 19.
You can hear it a little.
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
The speaker's hiding right there.
1.
All right.
Wait.
This will go off in a moment. Okay, the yellow lights are gonna go off. Now this is gonna go off. Just like I said. I think this thing just...
31, 30, 29.
I think these
28,
skipped.
27, 26.
Oh, this one.
25, 24, 23, 22,
Yeah, but
21,
it did kind of
20,
skip.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13.
This one sounds like a
12,
robot.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. As you already know, these crosswalk lights right here are also brand new, installed by Econolite. And these lights right here, I think those are McCain lights. I'll just give you a quick view of them before we go. I think those are Econolites too. Let me just look at the logo for a quick second. Yep, that's also installed by Econolite, but I think these up there are also McCain. So I'd say this intersection is half McCain, half Econolite, especially those two. And these buttons right here were installed by Pearl Engineering in 2018. Anyways, guys, oh, this one's got a tag on here, V4.05. Anyways, guys, that's all for now. I'll stay tuned and check this out later. But anyways, that's it.